Hey, I have to make a review about this ratchet thing here. I don't know the English name. I bought it on Amazon for maybe 40 euro, 30 euro, and it's quite bad. It already bent. I pulled out some stumps, smaller stumps like this size. I pulled around 20 or 30 stumps like this. It already bent. It has many flaws. I will show you right now. I will use it and then demonstrate it. Yeah, also the strings of the cable already stand out, so I already injured myself. This thing is quite bad, but I have a better alternative. I will show you later on. But first, let's use it, or try to use it. Okay, to get the cable of the spool, you have to pull here. Then you have to change the position of the spring here to this position. Then this hook claps away, and then you have to use your finger to detach, to lose this lever here, and then when you pull, the cable should come loose, but it's very hard. It's very hard, and you hurt yourself with, for example, here you have this little cable strings coming loose, and also sometimes so that's the maximum length. You have to put the spring in the first position, like this. Then this hook gets into the sprocket here. But the frame already bent after the second try or first try. So you can see the hook here on this side is going into the sprocket, but on this side it already bent. So there is nearly no contact. So only one side is pulling. Then the other downside is this one here, which is securing the sprocket. This one here is so tight, even though there is a spring, but it doesn't work. It doesn't go back in the original position. So very strange. Right now it's kind of working. This thing here is holding the sprocket when I go back, but when this whole mechanism here gets under tension, this lever or this hook here is so tight, I always have to push it with one thumb into the locking position, and that's quite dangerous. I already injured myself here because you can, yeah, your thumb or your skin gets between, so that's stupid. So 3 bad things. One, the cable already, yeah, it's a cable and the strings peek into your skin. Second one, this one bent. Third one, this one also somehow bent and doesn't hold the position. But let's try now. And there is one more bad thing. I will come to it later. So it's getting tight now. Now it's tight. Let's show everything. Yes, like this. you can see this lever here. When this thing gets under tension, it doesn't go back in the original position. It's supposed to go back like this. Now it's okay. Now it's also on the edge, but I always have to push this one. You see, it's not attached, so I have to push here that the edge is locking into the sprocket here, but it always stays in the other position, so it's not, yeah, it's crap. Basically it's crap. So if you use this very often, don't buy it. Buy a different one. I will show you later. This one here I bought used for 30 euro. It's much better. I will show you later, but first let's try it. Okay, stump is coming. Be careful with my thumb here already. And also this says 4 tons, but for example this one, here says 1.5 ton or 1,500 kilo. It's much easier with this one. Not sure what is going on here. If this is just if they are just lying with 4 tons, but this one says 1.5 ton, and it's much easier to pull out the stumps. I will show you later. You see, okay, very hard, even for a small stump. Then, okay, first one I set the cables already, the strings are coming out. Second one, the hook here bent, or this bent somehow, or the frame bent, or I don't know what bent. You see here, this hook here is not even touching the sprocket anymore, just this side. Then this thing is, this lever here is bending, or it's under tension. When this thing is under load, then the lever is under tension. So what is the next thing? 3 things already, yeah. And the fourth thing, the last thing is, there is no way to make it loose under tension. So if I want to go back now, there is no way. I can't lose. For example, this lever. Right now it's loose, but then there is no way to make this thing go spool backwards in a safe way. At least I didn't find any way. So this thing is crap. I don't like it. I will throw it away or give somebody else. I will show you now this one. It's quite old. Let's hook it here. Yeah, with this one you can go in both directions. With this lever here you can change direction. We have to lose the brake. And go backwards. Yes. So we change the direction like this, and next good thing here is we have a free wheel, so we don't have to use this one. Until the chain is tight, we can use the free wheel until this one is tight, and now we can use the leather. And can you see how much easier it is? Yeah, stump is coming, very easy. This one we don't need anymore. So that's it. Okay, so this one is the better alternative. Company name is Hardef. I think it's a German company. At least, yeah, it's built in 1969, no, 96. I think it's German, I don't know. But they make it anywhere in the world. So if you can get yourself one with a chain, much better. And this one on Amazon, yeah, if you use it once a year, maybe you can buy it. If you use it twice or more often, don't buy this one. It's cheap. It bent. You enjoy yourself. You get hurt. Things don't work. It's crap. Don't buy.